I check. You checked. How much is in the middle? 10 bucks? Yeah. Well, it's going to be pretty late in the night. I should probably get rid of some of these lower denomination chips, huh? You wouldn't. Let's do 25.
He's not about to do what I think he's about to do, is he? Put all brown chip.
Oh, don't worry. I'll count it out for you.
Oh no, this is just straight disrespectful. He doesn't think I'll call because they're 25-cent chips.
25.
God, I want to just reach across this table and punch him in the face. Look at that smirk. He knows that I won't call because then the whole table will know that I'm a bitch. Oh, look at the way he's taunting me right now. Wait a minute, is he doing the jazz fingers?
Whatever. You know what? I